going to the Tokyo Art Book Fair held at the Museum of Contemporary Art Tokyo, which is a museum in Kiyosumi Shirakawa. And there will be art books from all over the world. So I'm really excited. It's like a 4-day fair, and today is the first day of the art book fair, and I was able to get a reservation online. And you can also participate virtually online, but I decided to go have a look and actually see the books in real life. And so I'm really excited. Yeah, so I better get going because I'm running late. Bye, I'll see you there. Well, there was a lot of people, but I was able to get a few books and little stickers and everything from various artists, and it was a lot of fun. I can't wait to look them over. It was amazing, and I was so inspired. Just gonna maybe grab some coffee and then go home. I'm thinking of going to Jimbocho to look at some books at the bookstores that they have. So a few days ago I went to the Tokyo Art Book Fair and I was really inspired. And now I feel like I should read more books and purchase more books. And Jimbocho has so many bookstores in one neighborhood. All the streets are filled with bookstores with different genres. And yeah, if you're looking for books in Tokyo, Jimbocho is the one place that you should go to. You will probably be able to find any book that you're looking for. So yeah, I think that I'm gonna go there and explore and hopefully go to the bookstores that I've already listed on my Google map. There are several places that I want to go, so yeah, looking forward to that. Today is Saturday, and yeah, hopefully it won't be too crowded, but yeah, I better get going. Okay, see you there. Okay, so here are the books that I bought while I was in Jimbocho. I bought 3 books from a store called Magnif and 1 book from Nanyodo Books. And here is the first book that I bought at Magnif. It's a book by Tashin named California, Here I Come. I have a thing for vintage California vibes, and I don't know if that is because I lived in LA when I was little, but I love these old California illustrations and posters. And this is a book with graphics made by mostly anonymous commercial artists. And it was published in Italy in 2002, and this was pre-owned, but I found this at Magnif and I was automatically drawn to it. So yeah, here is the first book. And then the next book I found was Shelf Space Modern Package Design. I love looking at like latest and old package designs, and this retro vibe was my kind of thing. So the designs are all from 1945 to 1965, so you can't find them in stores or anything anymore, but I just love looking at these. Yeah, these are like beer cans. I had to get this. Okay, and the third book is Pictures by David Hockney. I love the artist, and so I had to get this book, which is like filled with 144 artwork of his. I love David Hockney. The fourth book is a purchase from Nanyodo Books, and the bookstore had lots of books about architecture, and this one is about contemporary architecture in Europe. To fight the urges of traveling to Europe because, you know, we can't go and travel because of COVID, I'm just gonna look at these images of these buildings and one day hope to see them with my own eyes. This one, for instance, is in Tilburg in the Netherlands. I've never been to Netherlands, but I would love to go. Love.